Hi there, my name is Sophia Jeffy, and I am the Prevention Program Associate here at CFPIC. And I am going to be walking you through the prevention section of the CFPIC website, which is home to a range of tools, resources, and information to support counties, CBOs, and state partners involved in FFPS. If you visited our website before, we have updated it, so it may look a little bit differently. We have tried to make it more user-friendly and hopefully easier to find program guidance, among other resources. So starting here on our main page, you can see there are 4 tiles listed, which we will visit shortly. Below these tiles, you can find the CPP leads list, where you can access county leads from child welfare and probation, in addition to a link to update your county's information if there have been any changes. Additionally, we have our technical assistance support request, our prevention spotlight, our California Comprehensive Prevention Plan map, and our program guidance section. Navigating here to the program guidance section, you'll find a more curated set of foundational documents and state-issued guidance that support county partners in implementing prevention services. This includes key resources like the Prevention Planning and Implementation Brief, timelines for deliverables, and links to ACLs, BHINs, and fidelity tools for evidence-based practices. We tried to make it easy for folks to navigate, and so we have these various topic tiles that you can click on to find the resource that you're looking for, as well as a library of all of these items. And this is a great resource if you're wondering where to start or how to align your local work with state expectations. Navigating back to the home page, we'll take a look at our California Comprehensive Prevention Plan map. If you haven't seen our CPP map yet, this is an interactive tool that displays the current status of comprehensive prevention plans submitted by counties across California. You can click in to any county to see their list of selected EBPs, their community pathway status, their opt-in status, a link to their plan, as well as their child welfare and probation lead contacts. And this tool is really here for you to get a better sense of the statewide picture of where things stand and for connecting with other prevention leads working on similar efforts. So now we'll move back to the main prevention page and start with the prevention resources for impact. So this is a prevention resource library, and it's one of the most frequently used sections of the site, especially if you're looking for anything CQI related. You want to pull up a specific ACIN, ACL, or other important briefs. And you can see here that the site is searchable and uses categories and tags so that you can narrow in on the materials that you are looking for. You can sort by categories such as implementation guidance, community pathway resources, or sample CPPs. You can also use the tags to quickly locate resources. And this page is continuously being updated, and so it's a great one to bookmark if you're involved in prevention planning. Next, we'll take a look at the FFPS advisory structure page. Clicking into this page, this is where you can learn a bit about California's Family First Prevention Services Advisory Committees. You'll find a background on the advisory structure overall, as well as dedicated sections for each subcommittee that we oversee. as well as their most recent infographics, which highlight recent meeting notes and our membership roster. And then scrolling back up, here you can see our current vacancies for the FFPS Advisory Committee, as well as the Community Pathway Advisory Subcommittee. And here you can access the link to apply to be on either of these committees. Next, we'll take a look at our Watch and Learn prevention demos. So here on the webinars page, you can find a wide range of technical assistance webinars, MI webinars, and more. And you can just click on that drop down and access the link to view the video in YouTube. You can see here at the top of the page, we have some recent meetings listed, like our CalAIM webinar, as well as our recent FFPS EBP work group. And as meetings that are available for public use come up, we will continue to add them to this section. And then last but not least, we'll take a look at our statewide prevention network page. In this last section, we really just highlight some of our partner organizations and other prevention initiatives that are occurring in California. So if you're interested, you can take a look at the Mandated Reporter Reform Initiative, access some resources from Caltrin, get connected with CalPrevents, and more. And that will conclude our overview of the website. As a reminder, if there's something you are looking for, you can always navigate back to the home page. And as always, if you have any suggestions, questions, or ideas for additional resources to feature on the site, don't hesitate to reach out to our team, and we will try to accommodate. Thank you so much.